Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to beautiful Washington State. My name's Luke W, and I'm gonna take you on a little secret path with my little skateboard, and then I'm gonna discuss with you guys why I think Amazon FBA is the best source for passive income. I'm gonna discuss why affiliate marketing and drop shipping just don't compare, but they are great things to implement as well as time goes on. But let's get to skating and I'll get to the video. Alright guys, we made it to the little secret spot. I'm gonna hop this fence and get on back there. Alright guys, so I'm walking through the woods right now, just heading back to my favorite little hangout spot. And I'm pretty much gonna share with you guys why I think Amazon FBA is one of the most best possible passive income sources around today. So for any young aspiring entrepreneur, you don't even have to be young. Basically what you're doing with Amazon is sourcing a very profitable product that has a lot of demand and very low competition. So if there's not a lot of people selling your particular product, you're simply able to go ahead, source it from China, which you can find on the website Alibaba.com. And then you're able to go ahead and ship in 200 units or more, 500 units into the Amazon warehouse. Pardon me guys, we just made it to the spot. I actually have my senior pictures here taken a long time ago, but that's not what this video is about. I'm here to tell you guys why I think Amazon FBA is one of the best places to start making passive income as an entrepreneur. For one, Amazon is one of the biggest places that gets the most traffic for online e-commerce stores across the whole world. Number two, all you really have to do if you don't know already is find a product that's selling a whole lot and you go ahead and source it from China on Alibaba.com. You send in maybe 200 to 500 units, and this is after, of course, you've used Jungle Scout, which I'll have linked below in my description. You can check that out. I have other videos on that as well. Send it on into Amazon, and Amazon's gonna handle all of the pick, packing, and shipping it out to your customers. And pretty much you're as good as gold from then on. And all you have to do is just keep sourcing more products after that and keep expanding to your brand. Now, the reason I think Amazon's a little bit better than some of the other methods of making passive income online is pretty much because with things like Shopify, Shopify and dropshipping, you actually have to make your own basically website and then drive all of your own traffic, which is usually paid traffic, to your website. And from then, if you get an order, you are the one that has to fulfill that order and ship it out to your customer. So with Amazon, you have all the free traffic in the world going to Amazon anyway, and you have Amazon shipping out all of your inventory basically while you sleep 24/7. So that's a lot better. And then there's another thing called affiliate marketing. This is where you can basically take products and write about a review of them and then get people to basically buy that product through your link. Like for instance, you'll see Jungle Scout down below, and that's an affiliate link where I say, guys, go ahead and purchase that because you need it to start selling on Amazon anyway. And after you get that link, I'll make like a $20 commission if you buy the Chrome extension. So it's pretty cool, but again, you have to be making videos and talking about it and giving reviews about it. Whereas Amazon FBA, you literally just do the work up front, 20% work up front, and then 80% you're getting passive income flow like nobody's business. So Amazon is just a great way to get yourself into the world of entrepreneurship. From there, you might start looking into other methods, and basically you can really grow a brand with Amazon. If you start selling something like some outdoors gear like camping hammocks or something, you can start building a brand and then have some outdoor cookware, and you can start building a real brand. So it's really great, and I just want to keep stressing this point to you guys that you guys can do it. I mean, I did it. I graduated college and thought I was gonna go sign away 40 years of my life to go be a broadcast news journalist. And really I found out that I wanted freedom in my life. And freedom is the only thing that I really desire. The desire to be alive and go around and do the things I want to do when I want to do them. And the best way for me to do that is to find a passive income source. And for me, that source was Amazon FBA. Now, I've only been about 10 months into this business myself, and I've really learned the ins and outs of all this. And I'm starting a new product here that I plan to build a big brand around. And if this takes off like I plan, it's going to be huge. And yeah, so that's why I'm kind of trying to also share with you guys the potential for you to actually step out and do this kind of stuff, because I'm just a normal guy like everybody else. And I said, hey, what the heck, I'm going to take a stab at this. Once I started making my first dollars back 10 months ago online, I was like, okay, this is real. Now let's see how we can make more and more and replicate this process so I make a lot more money in the meantime. It's not about the money, it's about what money will do for me in the long run. Now, as of just the past couple of weeks, I've started making an Amazon course that's starting to tell the story about everything you need to do to learn to sell on Amazon. So I have my email down below in this video, and you guys can shoot me an email, and I'm giving a $100 discount to anyone who sends me an email, as well as a 1-hour free phone consultation call. If you sign up, I'll have you finish the course, and then basically you can write down all the questions you have, and I will be able to answer those in a 1-hour Skype or phone call with you later on after you finish. And basically I want to kind of hold your hand and walk you through the whole Amazon process, because I feel like the more people I help make money doing this, the better results they're going to get is going to feed back to me and have them share a good testimony for me myself. So it's a win-win-win all around. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys today. I'm at one of my old spots here, and that's going to be about it for this one. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Lets me know you guys are engaged, especially when you drop comments there and just say what's up. Where are you guys from, tuning in from this video? YouTube's crazy. The internet's crazy, guys. You guys could be watching this all around the world. It's absolutely insane. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I've made over 160 videos talking about straight Amazon FBA. So, man, this thing's taken over my life. I love it. All right, guys.